Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about components of laser. There are three important components of laser: active medium, pumping agent, optical resonator. These are the three important components of laser. All these three important components of laser are put together into a diagram. Now have a look at this diagram. Now this is your active medium, which is enclosed between two mirrors. One is partially reflecting mirror and the other is fully reflecting mirror. And this total area is known as optical cavity. And this optical cavity is again surrounded by pumping agent. This is all about the diagram. Now let us discuss in detail about all these three components. First one, active medium. It is the place where population inversion and laser action takes place. That means this one here. This place is the place where population inversion and laser action. Laser action in the sense the actual working of laser will start from this place, active medium. So it is the place where population inversion and laser action will take place. Now this part will have different species of atoms. It will have different species of atoms. In that, some atoms will be very active. So those active atoms will help in population inversion. So they are called as active centers. And the remaining atoms which are supporting these active centers are called as host atoms. The remaining atoms which are helping active centers, active atoms, are called as host atoms. Simply, active medium is a place where population inversion and laser action takes place. It will have different species of atoms. In those atoms, some atoms will be very active and they will take part in population inversion. So they are called as active centers. And the remaining atoms which are helping these active centers are called host atoms. This is all about active medium. Now, coming to pumping agent. To cause and maintain population inversion, energy is required. So, for a population to occur, we will definitely need some energy. And that energy is given by a process called pumping. And this pumping is of three types. One is optical pumping, electrical discharge, direct conversion. In optical pumping, as I already told, optical in the sense light. I have discussed this term in solar cell. So wherever the term optical comes, it deals with light. So optical pumping in the sense we will use light, and this is applicable for solid state lasers. Optical pumping is applicable for solid state lasers. And the second one, electrical discharge. In this process, we will use electric field, and this is applicable for gas lasers. And the next one, direct conversion. In this, electrical energy is directly getting converted to light energy, and this is applicable for semiconductor diode lasers. Here, electrical to light energy in the sense, for example, light, normal light in our house. If we just on the switch, electrical energy will get converted into light energy and the bulb will glow. That is an example. So pumping is the process where we will supply energy to population inversion to happen. To occur population inversion, we are giving some energy by a process called pumping. There are of three types: optical, electrical and direct conversion. Optical, we are using light. Electrical discharge, we are using electric field. Direct conversion, we are directly converting electrical energy to light energy. This is all about pumping. And now optical resonator. Here the active medium is enclosed with two mirrors. One is partially reflecting and one is fully reflecting as shown in the figure. This one is your active medium. Two mirrors, one is partially reflecting and other is fully reflecting. And remember, partially reflecting mirror will always be on right side of the active medium and fully reflecting mirror will be on left side of the active medium. So this is the optical cavity. This whole area is known as optical cavity. And what is the work of optical cavity? It will amplify the light whichever is coming from laser and it will make it to highly monochromatic. That means whatever the light is coming from laser, it will convert it to highly monochromatic. It will make the light to monochromatic. What is mean by monochromatic? Monochromatic in the sense it will have single wavelength. So that is the work of optical cavity. So in optical cavity we are having one active medium, two mirrors, one is partially reflecting and the other is fully reflecting, and this total area is known as optical cavity. And optical cavity will amplify the light which is coming from laser and it will make the light to highly monochromatic. Thank you.